I want to, one or two examples more and then I'll stop. One of the things we just discovered is that this is a very interesting one for scientists. You know, we were told that nanotechnology is more like mostly physics, because you are making nanoparticles, you know, atom or molecule at a time, kind of a physics process. But some people started looking at Ayurvedic concoctions, which are called bhasma. Bhasma is a kind of a chemical process, some herbal plants, and you process in a certain way, and that's the bhasma, and then that becomes a treatment medicine for something. So people are looking at how it's possible that bhasma made of gold or containing gold as one of the ingredients has an effect which is beneficial, antioxidant and stuff like that. We don't think that gold is something that you ought to have. Even certain metals, heavy metals which would be considered toxic, but as bhasma, they're having beneficial effect. So what they're finding is that the bhasma produces nanoparticles. They are so small that at that size, the absorption behavior is very different than when the material is in larger particles. So there's a huge nanochemistry going on. There are papers on bhasma that US government has funded, a lot of research in the US is funded to see can some of these processes produce nanochemistry which has usefulness today, and some of these things are of use. So it is not only for correcting the history of our tradition, it is not only for setting the record straight and getting rid of, you know, all these taboos and misconceptions. It's also for the interest of humanity's future, being able to take these ideas forward, that we ought to do this kind of research. So I would like to just sort of stop and take questions and continue the conversation in an interactive way. Thank you very much for listening.